everyone, my name's Alyssa and welcome to the Hippie Hut. This was originally my husband's tool shed. I built it hippie, I built it fun, I built it colorful. Oh my gosh, you guys have to check this out.
Will you join me? Will you roll? Make this house our tiny home.
Hi everyone, my name's Alyssa and welcome to the Hippie Hut. This was originally my husband's tool shed. There was nothing in it. It was bare bones. The only thing that was here was the lofts. So we did our own installation. I cashed in all my favors. I got an electrician to come out. I had a plumber come out. But honestly, my dad and my husband, they did a majority of the work. So that saved us a lot of money being able to do it ourselves. My dad has always been a contractor. So luckily he's had all those traits. So it took us about 2-3 months-ish to really get it done as before decorating. Where this is at right now is on the side of my house. Because it is a shed, we had to get it permitted. There are restrictions, so you would have to speak with your county and see what they allow, what they don't allow. I know some counties actually have a limitation. You can't go too small, you have to have a minimum size, but because each county is different, I would recommend talking to your county before you build so that you don't have to worry about that issue later. It cost us, after all was said and done, about $18,000. And it's an 8x16 shed. Welcome to the Hippie Hut. I can't wait for you to have a groovy experience with us. As you arrive, you'll be greeted by the colorful spin wheels, and these lights light up as you come in. We do have you welcomed by Cheech and Chong, of course, with your own custom hippie parking sign. The yard of the Hippie Hut has everything that you need. You have your own hammock, you have a fireplace, and then at nighttime, there's a disco ball that lights up the entire Hippie Hut, making it your very own disco party. Then you have your grill. And of course, you need shade from this Florida heat, which is nice whenever you're sitting out here during the day. Come over here with me. Back here, we have this secret little shower, so you can enjoy outdoor showers in the Florida heat. People love this. Most people don't even take a shower inside because why would you when you can take a shower outside? So this building is actually a WeatherTech building. I absolutely love it. It has the wood siding and the metal roof. The metal roof is great for maintenance. It's not that much upkeep. The paint, of course, you have to go with the bright colors. So we have the teal, we have the purple, we have the hot pink roof. All my favorite things. All right, guys, let's check out the groovy space. This is an 8x16 structure, and we really tried to maximize the space in here. Behind me, we have the living area, which has a queen size bed, but it's actually a futon you can fold up into a couch and maximize this living space in here. So we have lots of local art in the Hippie Hut. I'm a very big fan of local artists and supporting local artists. The ceiling is posters and postcards, all of different hippie themes. So this really cool piece of art right here is done by Sierra Sunshine. She is a local artist. She has a really fun, colorful theme and design, and that's just the way she paints, and it's absolutely love it. Over here we have our kitchen area. We have a medium-sized fridge. We also provide guests with water and popsicles upon arrival. We are in Florida, it's hot, and we want to keep our guests cool. From the very beginning, this sign was the very first decor item I knew I had to have. Whenever we were designing the shower space, we really had to think hard about how we were going to fit the shower into the bathroom because the entire space is 8 by 16 and we really had to work on the bathroom and how it was going to work out. We decided to go with a smaller shower because we do have the outdoor shower space as well. So I got this really cool shower curtain. In here, I really wanted something bright, but not the same colors as the rest of the hut. So we went with the bright orange. Who doesn't love bright orange? It's just fun, it's happy. And again, that's what the Hippie Hut is about, being happy. You can see it's not a ton of room, but it is enough room to take a shower inside. And if you want a little bit more room, go outside and take a shower. And then we actually added this shower head right here, which is a nice addition I've noticed. It is a heated shower head. So a lot of people want that really, really hot shower. And whenever you're making a tiny home, you don't want that big hot water heater. Most of the time you don't have space for that. This painting here was actually done by my really good friend, Michelle Dawn. The flower and the symbol in the middle really meant a lot to her. And I told her whenever she came, I was like, I want you to paint this space, but I want you to do something that means a lot to you. So this painting is very special to me, and I'm so glad she was able to do it for us. The toilet is a full-size toilet. We do have it hooked up to septic. Something that's really fun from the 60s is the Light Bright. It was a super fun and popular toy, and I really wanted people to be able to experience the 60s, the hippie, everything. Let's go upstairs. Welcome to the Meditation Cove. We have so much stuff to do up here. You want to play some drums? We have a guitar, we have board games, we have a record player, everything. So even if you want to meditate, you can do whatever you want up here. All right, let's head up to the king size bed. So just outside of your bed, you have a disco ball, which has 2 settings. You can keep it on, or you can do it to the beat of the music. All right, so this is your second loft. This one has a king size bed, which is incredible. People love how cozy it is, and it's like you're in your own little nook. So if you like to sleep where you really feel cozy, it's great. You do have the height, so if you need to sit up, you can, but it's a great sleeping space. It is so important to follow your dream and not listen to anyone, because your dream is not the same as anyone else's dream. Someone else may say, oh yeah, tiny home's great, but you should do this. Absolutely not. You need to do what you want to do and what you feels right, because in the end of the day, it's your small space and you're the one that has to put the money into it. For me, I built it hippie, I built it fun, I built it colorful, because that's what I want to attract. I don't want to attract somebody who wants to be in somewhere that's dark and gloomy. I want to attract somebody who wants to be in a happy place. We've actually partnered with local businesses to take you out on sunset charter boats, go fishing for redfish. You can swim with the manatees. We've partnered with companies that will take you on a clear bottom kayak boat. You can go on a regular kayak. If you want to go out on your own or have a guided tour, we have an array of things that you can do.
Thanks for watching this week's episode. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you'd like to see more shed conversion tiny homes, make sure you check out the playlist we have linked in the description, and I will see you soon with another unique home tour.